Here's how we can disable TalkBack on Redmi 15. So first, let me quickly explain how to navigate on your smartphone when TalkBack is enabled. Whatever you do with one finger normally, any gesture like scrolling, swiping through different pages, and so on and so forth, you have to do with two fingers instead. And if you have anything that is related to buttons, so for example, if you use buttons for navigation, or if you have apps in the home screen, in order to use them, these apps and buttons, first you have to tap on them once in order to select them, and then double tap in order to confirm. So in this case, I'm just gonna go to background apps. I'm gonna tap once and then double tap in order to open the list of background apps. Tap on the X button once and then double tap in order to close everything. And in this case, unfortunately, I didn't go all the way. I didn't close the settings, so let me just quickly do that again. And in this case, I'm going to use two fingers in order to swipe to the left. All right, so starting from the home screen, we need to go to settings. If you have settings in home screen, then you can just tap once and then double tap. In case you need to go to the app drawer, use two fingers to swipe up, and then also scroll down with two fingers to find settings. Tap once and double tap. Over here, we're going to scroll down. So just go to additional settings, tap once and double tap, then tap on accessibility and double tap, and then tap on vision over here, double tap, tap on TalkBack once and then double tap, tap on the switcher once and double tap, and then tap on turn off and double tap. And there we go, TalkBack is disabled. You can now use just one finger again and use your smartphone normally. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.